Endeavor bills itself as a global network for high-impact entrepreneurs. It selects, supports, and invests in category-defining companies that are impacting economies around the world. One of these Endeavor companies is JumpCloud, a unified identity, device, and access management platform. Joining me now to share more is JumpCloud CEO and founder, Greg Keller. Greg, welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
I'm honored to be here, truly.
Well, we're honored to have you. So in simple terms, what is JumpCloud and what problem are you solving for?
The fundamental thing, if your audience just imagines their own work experience and thinking about the pain that they go through every day to just sign into applications and things that they need to do their job, we simplify it for IT and security teams so that a company can use any resource from any vendor, and the only thing the employee needs to do is put their fingerprint down or look at a camera, and we authenticate them across anything, whether they're in an office, on a plane, at home, and that's how the whole technology works.
Who are your customers?
We built the backbone of this business on the SMB. So think of that as companies roughly from 100 to 1,000 employees. But over the last 4 or 5 years, very large enterprises now have really started to become attracted to our service, mainly because I think they're kind of through with other larger vendors, Microsoft being one of them, and they're looking for more flexible alternatives.
All right, and you say that you enable, quote, intelligent, secure IT. What does that concept mean?
The whole concept of intelligent, secure IT is driving autonomous behavior safely and securely so that our platform does way more for IT and security teams versus having to hire a whole new class of people to perform jobs. So lots of very foundational AI is really deeply ensconced in the platform to help automate. But is also hyper secure so that there's no threat of leakage of data or commingling in a company's PII, for example, with other large language models. So it's an incredibly impactful way to create better efficiencies for our customers.
And also we've seen with the rise of AI, increased security risk.
Correct.
Also known as shadow AI.
That's right.
How does JumpCloud help this problem?
AI is, even as a user, it's so incredibly effective and it's addictive how much efficiency you can gain. The problem is it's super easy for an employee to just start to leverage technology outside of the purview of an IT or security team, even with a phalanx of different types of tools. So what this is becoming is as you suggest, a shadow or rogue IT problem. So what does that mean? It means how can AI products that are now popping up like mushrooms within an organization be found and discovered? So because JumpCloud is utilized on every application resource and every device known to the company, both BYOD as well as corporate issued devices, we can find out really what people are using and help IT and security teams make decisions on what to do. It can be very draconian, just stopping the use of the stuff or even removing the software from a machine, to more subtle suggestions. Looks like you're using ChatGPT. We'd prefer you use our corporate standard Gemini as an example, so we can steer and navigate the employee to use the appropriate software, or again, hard remediate the problem.
How do people react to that?
Employees?
Yeah.
I think, it's becoming generally understood that no one wants to get in trouble and no one wants to hurt their customers. So employees definitely want to do their jobs faster. They just need to know what's right. They need to know which tools are secure. And I think what we're watching now is many IT teams and security teams scramble to evaluate, look at, and verify which products are safe for the company to use and which really need to be put to bed. And then once they have that sort of net list of products, start communicating it to their employees. So employees, once given these products, the productivity gains, and I can say this from firsthand experience, watching our engineering teams and marketing teams with the secure AI tooling that we've given them achieve way different outcomes in a faster time frame.
All right. And why did you become an Endeavor entrepreneur?
I've been doing this for too long. I'm old as dirt now. I'm older, as my dad would say, than Methuselah's rookie card. But in reality, it's helping. So I have stepped on more landmines in a 32-year career of building companies. And if I can channel these lessons so people don't step on the same landmines and can keep focused on the mission, that's what Endeavor is. It is mentoring, and it is providing other great entrepreneurs a way to have a more effective way to build their companies. But here's the other reality. Endeavor is global, just like my company. We're 1,000 employees, all distributed around the globe. If I am an Endeavor entrepreneur, or just a person trying to build a company in Africa, in Jakarta, in Ankara, Turkey, these are places I've visited. They don't have the same luxury as this. Like literally at your fingertips, American entrepreneurs are blessed with so many different resources to know how to raise capital, look at business models, start to effectively drive their businesses. So what we do at Endeavor is just teach those lessons continually to give other advantages to companies to grow. It's a global economy.
Yeah, and you're talking about Endeavor's mission to invest in entrepreneurs outside,
That's
in
right.
different areas from all over the world.
That's exactly right.
Yes. So thank you so much, Greg Keller, for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange.
Honored, and thank you so much.